to my channel. Today we're doing something very quick, which is sea bass and sweet potatoes. It's very healthy. I have a lot of vegetables, and the sweet potato is very good as well. And that is a sweet potato. I've cut them into wedges, and this is the sea bass. That is the sea bass, and that we have broccoli, we have carrots, and we have sweet pepper, and then we have some tomatoes which is diced, and I have this is just made up of ginger, garlic, onions, and thyme. And this is the same thing that I've used to marinate the sea bass. Okay, so first thing first, what we need to do, I'm trying to just put a little bit of spice on the sweet potato to make it nice, and then I'll put that in the oven. So first of all, I put a bit of oil in it. You can use any oil that you prefer. That is I always use rapeseed oil, and I add a bit of ginger. I add a bit of white pepper. I have some garlic powder, and then we have some onion powder, and then I like this, we add red paprika to give it a really smoky feel, and then I'm going to add a bit of black pepper. Okay, add a bit of black pepper, and then the next I'll just toss it and then put that in the oven. So I'm just tossing it quickly. I don't add salt because I don't want a lot of salt to my food. This is a healthy one. You can add salt if you prefer. So that's it. I'm going to put it, I'll add a bit of oil on it. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for just until it's soft, nice and tender. Right guys, so I do this sauce with the sea bass, so it's a very quick one. This is about let's say about 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. That's rapeseed oil, that's what I use. It's very healthy. So the next thing I do is just a quick sauce. I add this is the marinade I use for the sea bass. So it's got some pepper. I put some scotch bonnet. Sorry, I put scotch bonnet. If you don't want it spicy, just leave out the scotch bonnet. I put some scotch bonnet, onions, ginger, and garlic, and a bit of thyme, and that's what I'm using for the sauce as well. So I put that in. Right, so I'll let it cook a bit. It's a quick one, so I'm just adding most of the things. I'll let it cook for about 5 minutes before I add the tomatoes. Right guys, I just want to add the chopped tomatoes. That's the chopped tomatoes, just add it to it. I chopped the tomatoes because I want it to cook quickly. So that should be on. For it to be nice and soft, I'll wait for about, let's say about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, the tomatoes is quite soft, so I need to put a little bit of salt in it. Small bit of salt. So the next thing I need to do is to add my broccoli. This is just a medley of vegetables, really. So what I'll do is I'll leave it for about 3-5 minutes. I'll cover it so that it's a bit tender, Okay, so let's wait for about 5 minutes. The broccoli is quite cooked, so I'm adding the other vegetables. I don't want it to be so soft because I want the crunch. So I'll put this on for about just another 5 minutes, and I'll just that will be ready. Okay, right, so wait for another 5 minutes, and then our medley of vegetables is ready. Right guys, you can see that my spicy vegetables is cooked and is really nice. It smells really good, so I just have to take it off the stove and continue by just putting the frying pan on, because we are going to do the fish. Okay, right guys, we need to pan fry the sea bass. It's really hot. I put a little bit of oil in it, so we just put that in it. Let's say it's about 5 minutes each on every side. We need to turn the fish. Okay, it's nice and crispy, as you can see. So wait for the other side just of about 3 to 5 minutes, and then our fish will be done. Right guys, this is our meal. We have our medley of vegetables, spiced vegetables, and we have the sweet potatoes and the sea bass. It's really nice and healthy. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be able to be notified of that. Thanks for watching.